Welcome to lesson 21, learning is Ndebele. Okay, so in our last lesson, we ended up on the note of one saying, I'm not well, I'm not fine. And we said, one can say, angizwa kahle, or angizwa kahle guy. I'm not feeling well, my guy. Or I'm not feeling well, bruh. Or I'm not feeling well, sis. Okay? Right? So, it may not necessarily be a matter of not feeling well in terms of being sick or being ill or unwell. So one may also just say, go blind, Jay. So go blind, it literally means it's blind, okay? But in Ndebele, when somebody is saying go blind, they might be meaning that it's terrible or it's awesome. Okay, is the context then that defines what blind in that instance is meaning. So if somebody says go blind, bruh, then you know it's not well, things are not right. Then you can go on and ask, hey, kanti yindaba or ngenxa why? Ziyawa pururu, okay? Ziyawa pururu. Ziyawa means it's falling or they are falling, you know, but in this case it just means it's bad. Things are not exactly where they should be. You understand? All right. So that's about it when somebody is not happy with their situation when you are greeting them, because it's not always the case that somebody is well when you are greeting them. Although culturally, generally in Ndebele, as in most other African contexts, when you are responding to a greeting, you first affirm your health and then negate it. So in other words, I'm saying, if you are unwell, you first say you are well, but, okay? But asikhona lijani lani. Yikuthi nje ngiqinelwa ngumzimba. I'm fine, how are you? It's just that I'm well. It's as if it's a contradiction. So it seems to be more polite to first say or appreciate that at least you're alive or you're well, but then there are other problems that you have, all right? And then you can then ask, how is your family? Injani imuli yako. Remember last time we learned banjani abanye. How are the others? So now when you're specifically referring to somebody's family, you ask injani imuli yako. So it's not banjani imuli yako, right? Because it's one family that you're referring to, so it's singular. Injani imuli yako. Then ask right. Ingcono bayaphila abantwana or something like that. You can then further subdivide the family there. Okay. Now, to finish off with our this part of the vocabulary session, I just need you to go and revise. Buy some Ndebele books, okay? Go to a bookshop, even, grade 1 books, in Donsagusa, in other Ndebele books that you can find for grade 1s and so forth. They'll help you to master some of these things, so that when we go to deeper things, you will just be excellent. You'll be speaking Ndebele in no time. So, go and practice. In our next lesson, we're going to be delving into the Ndebele noun class system. Get geared up.